In this video, I will show you how to create a new Valorant account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to play Valorant, of course, you do need a Valorant account. So to get started, open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to playvalorant.com. This is the official website for Valorant. On this website, you'll be taken to a page like this, and from here, you want to scroll down and you're going to see a link which says create a Riot account. So a Riot account is effectively an account for Valorant as well. So all you need to do is give that a click. What that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. At this point, what you need to do is enter an email, and you can also create an account if you want to with your Facebook, Google, Apple, Xbox, or PlayStation Network account. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and enter an email. So I'm going to use one of my emails here, just like so. And then what I'm going to do is come down and click the arrow at the bottom. And what's going to happen is a code is going to be sent to verify your email address. So you want to make sure you grab that code from that email and enter it into the next screen. Once you've done that, come down, click onto the arrow, and what it's going to do now is ask you for your birthday. So let's go ahead and type that in, and then again you would come down and click the arrow at the bottom. Then what it's going to do is ask you to enter a username, so this will be used for all of Riot games. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter this one, and then click the arrow at the bottom. And finally, you want to go ahead and choose a password. And then click the arrow at the bottom. So once that's done, what's going to happen is it's going to bring up the terms of service. All you need to do is quickly read through these, and if you're happy with everything, just tick the box at the bottom to agree to the terms of service, and then what you want to do is click onto accept at the bottom. So it's just going to take a minute or two now to finish setting things up, and as you can see, what's going to happen is it's going to refresh back onto the website, and your account is now created. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, you can see your account here, and what you can do is then go ahead, download Valorant and play Valorant with that new account. So that is how to create a new Valorant account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.